So one quick tip for students starting their doctoral journey will be to create a solid support system for yourself. No matter who that is, family, friends, no support system is too small. But find individuals, not only acquaintances or friends or family members or colleagues at work, even if it's your professors or administration, find people that will be in your corner so you can celebrate those small steps along the way. Every term is a closer opportunity to being done with your program, so don't forget each milestone is important. So take the time to create that solid support system so you can celebrate every step along your journey. One of the things you can expect to learn from a doctoral program is a little bit more about research, about topics that are important to you, and ways that you can take material and you can be able to apply it to the real world, and you can be able to do projects, research with faculty members, being able to make a real impact through community and involvement and research. So doctoral programs will always be able to let you get the most out of the experience for what you put in. So if you're ready to take that journey or that next step towards applying things in multiple perspectives of your life and your career, a doctoral journey will help you take those research opportunities, those theories, those things that are out there, and be able to apply it to what you want to do to bridge that gap in the particular research that may be out there. So take your time. It doesn't have to be perfect. It might take year 1, year 2, year 3 before you figure out exactly what you want to do with your degree and your research, and that's okay. But one thing for sure is to embrace all the knowledge that's coming through and take it for an opportunity for yourself to really dive into that passion that you have deep inside yourself and let it come out and shine through your professors, your administration, and figuring out what research means to you.